No, we ain't gotta do all of that. Who said that? Oh, no. Both gonna get in trouble. How about that?
Oh, no, I'm not getting in trouble with you.
What you mean?
No, you get in trouble by yourself.
He ain't cheating on me. You cheating on me, babe?
Yeah.
So you cheating for real?
Again, we go up on a call.
So why you gotta meet these people? Oh. Did he just say so? What you just said?
It was like, oh, we can hang out later.
What y'all hanging out to do?
So,
you ain't hanging out.
Yeah, he was like,
you ain't hanging out later. We finna be in the bed later. Call her back.
For what? To prove what? Hey, there we go again. Yeah, you Jamaican bumbuckler fucker all the way. Alright, fellas, welcome to another video. Taye and Tay. I'm about to prank Zion, pretend like I'm on a call, and just see his reaction. So here we go, fellas. Hey, what's going on? Yeah. What we're gonna do later on? Nah. So, nah, we're just going out on a small date. Nothing serious about it. Cool. Yeah, we can just go downtown, grab a drink or something, call it a day. We can do that too. No, I'm just here with my lady nephew. We're about to go to the store. No, we ain't gotta do all of that. Who said that? I don't know. I'll figure it out when I'm done. Yeah, but I'm gonna run go to the store real quick, so...
Who you talking to?
A friend. Yeah.
I don't sound like no friend from where I'm here.
Nah, it's a friend's eye. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Nah, we just do that, get it out of the way, and then we catch up. So... yeah, I'll let you know. Alright, cool.
Nah, that ain't no friend.
What do you mean that ain't no friend?
Tell she know that too.
Tell auntie what? That I was on the phone?
Yes.
Zion.
Talk to another girl.
You're snitching. Because talking to another girl doesn't mean anything.
It means a lot.
What does it mean?
I mean that you cheated.
No, Zion. That could be my friend. So you can't say that's cheating. What did you hear for you to say cheating?
I heard going out.
Yeah, it was.
Tell somebody else.
Zion, nobody with a fool with this. Me say I want friend. What do you mean you're talking about? So, we are going to tell her to say.
That's not no friend, because you was talking about hanging out later and all of that.
So you're not a friend we hang out with?
You can do that with auntie.
Yeah.
She your friend.
But me I say, you're not a friend we hang out with?
Nah.
No?
No friend.
You ain't got no friend we hang out with?
I got friends to hang out with.
So when you hang out, that means you're doing something wrong?
I have a girlfriend though. That's the difference that it makes.
Yeah, but you gotta remember that, hey, I'm with your aunt. But again, I have friends separate from your aunt. So
but I heard things different.
well, you heard different. Then your brain telling you stuff different then. That's what it is, of course.
You think it's funny? I'm gonna tell her too.
Then go ahead, tell her. What are you gonna tell her, say? I'm cheating?
Yes.
Cheating where? How? Because you hear me talking on the phone? Nah, Jade. Ain't nothing like that. I'm getting in trouble? That's fine. We both gonna get in trouble. How about that?
Oh no, I'm not getting in trouble with you.
What do you mean?
No, you get in trouble by yourself.
Okay.
She coming right now too.
That's fine. You ready to tell her story? Go ahead. Drop it on her.
Auntie, you won't believe what happened.
What?
So before you came, Tyrone was on the phone talking to somebody saying hang out later, and he was like, nah, we don't need to do all of that.
Okay, maybe it was his friend or something.
That was not no friend.
Okay, so how you know it was him? What happened? What are you talking about?
He wasn't talking like it was his friend. He was talking like it was somebody that he in a relationship with.
Oh.
So I think he cheated on you.
He ain't cheating on me. You cheating on me, babe?
Really? That's what we're doing now? Nah, I ain't think we're doing all this. We ain't doing this right now.
Now you know.
I literally just went in there for a few minutes to grab something. You had time to make a phone call that fast?
Yeah, I did.
Who you talking to?
A friend.
Okay.
That wasn't a friend. I don't know.
Did you hear the girl on the phone?
Yeah. I don't know.
What happened?
So, what she was saying?
I heard a girl's voice, but he was just like, after he was talking, he was just like, nah, we don't need to do all of that. Just go out and hang out.
What? Well, I'm glad you don't need to do all of that.
I told him he could do that with you, 'cause you his friend.
I'm his friend.
And his wife. Like, your wife is your friend, so you can do that with your wife.
The fuck?
What you guys got going on?
What you got going on? That's funny.
Of course it is. I ain't got nothing going on. Again, I was on the phone talking to a friend, and that was it.
Why? Okay, whatever. Anyways, so why you? I mean, and you doing it when he in the car?
Coming, I'm not hide. Again, I go up on a call.
Okay, call
Zion hear me on a call.
Okay, call her now.
Understand?
Call him again
And
while she in here.
Zion probably assume
Okay.
that it was a girlfriend
Alright,
or a side girl.
Since I assumed
It
that.
ain't that much conversation in the world.
Since I assumed that, call him back while she in here.
Call back who's that?
I'm waiting.
Your friend. Your so-called friend.
Man, what am I gonna call her back for?
See? Call her back, tell her, see?
When I say nothing like that for call back.
I
So
want you
on the
to put it on
phone.
speakerphone.
On the phone.
I put it on speakerphone.
Put up on speakerphone.
When you call her back.
4.
What you mean?
Then tell me the 4. What me do that for?
Since you said that it was just a friend.
Then that me just say and we're gonna left it there so. Just a friend. That's it. Argument done. We never
Argument
fix
ain't done. Argument going.
it. You know go on with it then let it go. Where did I get that from? Again, argument done. My phone and my phone. And I go up on my phone and I talk to a friend. Then I talk to a friend.
Jamaicans is always cheating.
Here we go again. You're Jamaican bumbuckler fucker all the while about Jamaican cheating. Where you get cheating from?
So you really heard him on the phone with somebody else?
Yes.
I don't think he gonna cheat on me though.
That's why you should have been in here.
How was it being I just ran it again? I don't think he ain't like that. He ain't like that.
I know this bald-headed man that's like that.
He not like that. He ain't gonna do nothing like that. I mean, I hope not. I trust him, so I think he okay.
Tell him call her back then.
If he said it was his friend, then it just was his friend.
Yeah, but I don't think like if you're in a relationship, you should have any girlfriends.
I don't know, but he don't want to call her back for one. He doing all this extra shit for 2. He can't even look in my eyes.
What? So all this turn all about? I don't understand. Why this is all
Why
about?
you understand? You'll never understand shit when it comes
Yeah,
to
but
you.
all this about me.
How was it about you? You was on the phone. What do you mean how it was about you?
No, for my phone, man, I can't depend on it. I don't get that.
Bro, I swear to.
And then you never back there talk about blood clot call and all these things. Then I don't depend on my call, man, have my phone.
If you cheating, just admit it.
Right, if you cheat, just admit it.
Okay, I'm
I
cheating.
don't think you
I'm
cheating.
cheating.
I don't think you cheating.
I'm cheating.
Oh, you is?
I'm cheating. Let
You
me
are.
admit it. I'm cheating. What gonna happen?
I'm gonna punch you in your shit. So you cheating for real?
Then we go up on a call.
So why you gotta meet these people? Oh. Did he just say, so what you just said?
It was like, oh, we can hang out later.
What y'all hanging out to do?
So-
You ain't hanging out.
Yeah, he was like-
You ain't hanging out later. We
think
finna
she
be
said-
we finna be in the bed later.
I also
And I'm gonna make sure you don't go nowhere all night.
I also think she said,
Then you're your
good
friend.
phone.
You're your friend. I'm not drink. You're your friend. Go.
No.
Too bad for you and for your friend. Them. You want some good.
I also
friend.
think she was talking about like doing something freaky. He was like, nah, we don't got to.
Zion, how you the part?
That's funny.
Then he need Zion back there and talk about something freaky.
He know what he heard.
Then Zion don't hear me I talk nothing freaky.
Oh, sheesh.
Nothing freaky.
Because you said, nah, we got to do all of that.
Nothing freaky you don't hear me talk about. So you want. But the power
excuses now.
Don't be making excuses now.
A different thing.
No, we ain't. We on what you on. So what you on?
She said, y'all gonna do something later, so guess you can hang out with your friend.
That's what we doing. Anyways, I don't think he really like that. He just, I don't know. I don't think he really like that. I mean, I guess I trust him enough, babe. You not gonna defend yourself?
Defend myself or what? Did I do
So you
something
was
wrong?
guilty.
No, you defend yourself when you do something wrong. If you don't do nothing wrong, then why you gonna defend yourself?
You one slick ass man.
Where you guys get your stuff?
You slick as hell. You slick. You slick as hell. That's what you is. You slick. Don't do that. And I don't know if I be trusting you either. Y'all be lying.
Trust me.
Y'all always lying. Yeah, you need to get it together. Or, cause I don't know why he accusing you saying that you was talking to a girl, which you talking about your friend. Okay, you don't need to be talking to your friend like that.
I was talking to her, but she's my friend.
What kind of friend? It's different type of friends.
Why you taking her out? You taking us out.
What do you mean different type of
It's
friend?
different type of friends.
I don't know about that. Only one friend I know about. Friend. I don't know about a different type of friend.
That's different type of friends.
So what do you mean by that? Different type of friends?
Sexual friends.
Oh, no,
Friend
no.
friends.
Well, of them then.
Close friends.
We call them the friends with benefits.
OnlyFans friends.
Me no know.
Friends with benefit friends.
But I don't know people.
Money friends.
You're not listening. You're just bumbuckler. You're just make a bag of
Should I keep going?
Your call.
Oh, you slick too. Very much slick.
Me just say I'm a friend. You talk about benefits.
Call her back.
For what? To prove what?
To prove that that's your friend. The fuck?
And put on speakerphone.
Me not do that. So don't get fucked.
Why?
Two don't get fucked. Come out of that.
You is a...
You can tell all the thing you want to say about call her about.
Call her back.
For?
Because I want to hear her voice.
I did miss call? Fuck. You talk about call her back like I don't know a miss call happen.
It did. While I wasn't in the car. The missed call came. The missed call came through while I wasn't in the car. So call her back. I need to hear her voice.
Okay, then you call her then if you need to hear her voice. I don't know if her voice you want to hear.
I don't want to hear yours. I want to hear hers.
Then call hers then. Who's
I don't
hers?
got a number.
Oh, here we go. That's the key part. You ain't got the number.
And call her.
Exactly.
Call her then.
Exactly, Zion.
Call
My
her
point
then.
exactly.
Hey, two only does make being nice in this.
Exactly. Call her back. Right, Zion?
That's how you
Call
know,
her back.
That's how you know you're guilty.
Call her back. Call her back. Call her back.
See, you never call her.
The fuck?
I be a joke when you go.